Hi, I'm Rich Sparkman. I've been with Shelby for 28 years. And I've had the privilege of being deeply involved in our brand's growth journey. Shelby has been building cars since 1962. Not just any cars, but high-performance collector cars. When we introduced the Cobra Roadster in the 60s, much of the manufacturing was done entirely by hand. But 2007 was a turning point. Technology was moving fast, and we had to accelerate too. That's when we launched Mustangs. Partnering with Ford meant scaling from niche handcrafted cars to mass production. Thousands and thousands of vehicles. Suddenly we had to prove we could keep up. That shift required smarter systems. I built internal software to track everything, from parts consumption to installation times, to predicting when parts are needed on the line, because we do just-in-time production. But for that software to truly work, we needed something powerful to manage the devices it ran on. After considering several solutions, we landed on Scalefusion. We deployed our app on several tablets that function on our production floor. And Scalefusion made sure every single one worked exactly as intended. Focused, secure, and tailored for our teams. Our users span a wide age range from 18 to 60. That brings two very different needs. For younger users, we wanted the tablets to stay work-focused and locked down, so there's no chance of misuse. For team members in higher age groups, simplicity was the goal, an interface that's clean, easy, and not too complex. With Scalefusion, we achieved both. The devices are restricted to our internal app only, with no access to email, web browsing, or even settings. Nothing can be disabled or worked around. The tablets simply do what they're meant to do. And that reliability has been critical to our project's success. Scalefusion has made testing seamless, and it's given us the confidence that our software can run exactly as intended. As and when we plan to expand beyond Android to Windows and Mac, having that same reliability, easy onboarding, and fantastic support across our ecosystem is critical. And that's why Scalefusion will be the solution of choice, given the track record of success we've seen.